In this example, I'm going to go through some of the settings. I'm going to go through the profile, and then I'm going to create some content, and I'll create the content in a couple of different stages. So the profile has company information, and I'll just go through here quickly and fill this information out. And your bank name and bank information. You can change your payroll information. You can do your billing information. If you have sales tax, you can put that information in. You can connect your social media pages. The database information is when you're displaying information for products and categories. This is how many rows you want to display. The CAPTCHA information is for your contact forms. You can put in whatever question you want. I'm going to do something simple for now. Then you can have 3 different shipping options. I'm going to leave those off. And then I'm going to update. Each one of these update buttons, whichever one you click, it's going to update all of the information. So you can go through and you see that it saved all of the information. This public books is whether you want your accounting books accessible to the public or not. So you can turn that on or off. So that is the profile section in the settings. The help section just explains a little bit about each section and what those sections can do. I'm going to move right into the home content. And at the very top, there's a button that turns the home content on or off. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on or off. Each one of these in the top section that has an up and down arrow on the right side, you can drag them to order them. For now, I'm just going to put some basic information in, and then I will display that, and then I will create a couple of categories and products. I'm just going to take a little bit of information here that I've created for quick copying and pasting. I'm going to grab the information. Thought it was going to grab it real quick. Let's see here. Go. So here's our home page block 1 information. I'm going to put that in down here because I got it easily accessible there. And I'm going to turn that on. Each one is individually has the ability to turn that on or off. All of this is just dummy content just to display the features of the website. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to turn on the contact form. For title, the sitemap creates a list of pages at the bottom of your home page. I'm going to put in the customer email subscription. I'm going to turn that on. Allows customers to sign up and create get emails from you. So I'm going to save all that, and I'm just going to quickly look at that. Here's our email form at the top, the content that I created, the social media links that I put in. Now, this last paragraph is inviting customers to be part of the community, stay up to date on our newsletter. So I'm going to drag this contact form on that home page down below that. So I'm going to take that email subscription, just drag it down there to the bottom. You'll see now it's down there at the bottom. I'm going to throw a couple of more pieces of content in here. The next content I'm going to do is the slider. Now this turns the slider on or off, and I don't have any sliders. So I'm going to go down here. On the left side, you'll see at the top there's Content Manager, and there's each different section that allows you to create different content. I'm going to go down to Sliders. I'm going to create a new slider, and I'm going to name it Home. For the home page, I'm going to activate the slider and save it. I'm going to add a slide. Then I'm going to take some images that I've created and drag those in there, and I'm going to just put in an image and then activate the slide. I'm not going to put a name or description, although you can do that. I'm going to quickly add and activate a couple of slides. Save that. Now you can drag these to order them. I'm just going to leave them the way they are. Then I'm going to go back to the home content, and I'm going to activate that home slider that I created and turn it on and save it. Now you can see at the top is our slider that we created. Now if you create a link, you can click it and it'll take it to the page you want it to go to. I didn't create a link, so it'll just stay on this page. Here's my 4 images. Here's my content, my sign up form, contact form, my company information and social media, my sitemap. I'm going to now create one more piece of content for this demo. I'm going to create a logo. I've already created a logo somewhere in here. Let's see, maybe it's here. Here it is. I'm going to create a demo website for on-the-go healthy snacks. Now, there's 2 logos. There's a company logo that will display on your pages, and then there's a small logo that will display on a phone if you save the website to a phone, and it also displays in the browser title area. And that is the square logo. I'm going to save that as a square logo. I'm going to set this as the logo. So there's a logo and a square logo. The logo is the main logo that displays on the home page and many other pages. The square logo is the small icon that will display at the top of the page in the browser tab, or if you save it to your phone. So here's our logo now at the top and down at the bottom. So now we've quickly created this website in just minutes and thrown some information in there really, really quickly. And then I've shown you the profile. We've done some home content as well as a slider and a logo. So in our next section, I'm going to create a couple of categories and products. And then after that, I'm going to create a customer and an employee. So that's the end of this video. The next one, I'll show a little more content.